Elon Musk accused by SEC of misleading investors in tweet. Of course, most all of us in here probably know the backstory behind that. He was accused by the Securities and Exchange Commission of misleading investors when he tweeted that he had funding lined up to take the company private. And in the past 24 hours, I've been on such a roller coaster ride with Tesla. I mean, just such an absolute roller coaster ride. He made this tweet, and it sent, obviously it was very openly considered stock manipulation, and they've begun their lawsuits. SEC is going to begin their lawsuits, and that's not good. I'm going to pull up a quote on Tesla stock right now. So, it closed the market at $307.52, netting a $2 loss on the day. In extended hours, it is down $36.27. They are down 11.79%. They had that much market cap just erased almost immediately. So let's look at this after hours drop off. Let me refresh in case I don't know if I got CNBC set up on a refresh. But yeah, so this is the trading movement that has taken place after hours right here. Now, if you want to look at this tweet objectively, he's not saying he is taking Tesla private. He says he's considering taking Tesla private. So, but then when he put this funding secured on the end there, that's what alerted the SEC. That's what woke the SEC up out of their sleep and said, okay, we got to get involved now. You guys remember Tesla stock got halted almost immediately, and the price run up really high. And once they finally opened up trading again on it, and it's been a roller. Like, if you would have shorted Tesla that day, you would be in beautiful shape. If you'd have bought puts in Tesla that day, you'd be in great shape. Tech companies are reacting to this. 266. Oh, Elon, what are you doing? What are you doing, Elon? Let's take a little bit more of a fundamental approach and kind of look at this, though, because here's a couple things right here. First off, I've never done an analysis video on Tesla, but there's a lot of things that bother me, like these negative profit margins, negative operating margins. Also, I got a complaint earlier this week about a few things, so I'm gonna do my stock analysis just a little differently. But this right here bothers me. Negative 50% return on equity, negative 5% on assets. So yes, I'm aware all the demand is there, all the want, all the support is there. That 20% of people hold the stock short on the shares outstanding. 28% of the people hold this stock short based off of the float. Okay, this is not healthy. The PE ratios are terrible. You got one that's 100. Your trailing PE doesn't even exist because obviously they're not profitable. Your quarterly revenue growth, yeah, that's pretty good. It's decent. The $2 billion in cash, $13 billion in total debt. Look, their operating cash flow, negative $318 million. Levered free cash flow, negative $2.76 billion. I mean, this is not... I know all the investors are behind this stock, and it's a very cultish stock. A lot of people invest in Tesla because they believe in the vision and they believe in the future of this company. I believe in Tesla, and I believe in Elon Musk, but I cannot get behind this thing because, if anything, I'm going to go short. When they rise back up, I'm hitting them with a short. I'm buying puts on them because this is not a good balance sheet, and this company is not positioned to be doing these types of things. No company is in position to do this kind of stuff. Nobody, not even Apple or Google. Look at this. 13 hours ago, he publishes a video that says why Tesla stock is going to $3,000 soon. Then 12 minutes ago, he publishes a video, Elon Musk charged with fraud by SEC. Now, I like Jeremy. I watch his channel. I tune in. But what kind of message is he sending people here? What is this? What you're contradicting yourself 13 hours apart. I mean, I know he has a lot of subscribers. I know he gets a lot of views. I know he's a very successful channel. But what are you doing here? Like, what is that? You got to go in a direction. You know, like I think stuff like this just tends to confuse people, and everyone who run out and bought the stock today, they're going to be scrambling to sell it and taking 13% loss or whatever. You know, like especially novice level investors. What kind of message are you sending them when you do things like this? I'm disappointed a little bit here. You know, like I think he's better than this. You know, I'm going to log off here in a minute. My son's got some homework, and I'm going to be keeping an eye on the Tesla story, guys. And if I get any more news, I'll probably go live again later tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. I think that might be a good idea. I might go live and pre-market tomorrow morning so we can watch the Tesla pricing first thing in the morning. Let me see where they're at right now. 266 flat.